right, number 13 on the review is asking us to figure out the angle this ladder makes. The ladder's 5 feet from the building. The ladder's 70 feet tall. So what is the angle that it makes with the building? And the picture is there for you in the review. And it says around just 2 decimal places. Okay, so basically you have this triangle. So you can just kind of figure out the information you have. This is the angle that you want, and then there's there. So if this is the angle, this is the opposite side, and that's the hypotenuse. So all you gotta do is ask yourself which trig function deals with opposite and hypotenuse. So that's gonna be sine. So we're gonna say the sine of the angle that we want is gonna have to be 5/70. So that means that the angle that we want needs to be the inverse sine of 5/70. And the question says, what's the angle? So make sure that we're in degree mode in this case. So whenever you're dealing with a application in real life, we're gonna measure those angles in degree. So we need to plug in the inverse sine of 5/70. So on our calculator, again, make sure you're in the right mode. I'll be in degree mode. My calculator tells me, so just figure out what calculator you're using that you're in the right mode, all right? And then I'm gonna do second sine, that is the inverse sine. And then I'm gonna do alpha link, and then I'm gonna punch in 5/70, close those brackets up, and it's gonna give me 4.096. So let's write that part down. So theta is approximately 4.096, and the directions say to 2 decimal places. So that's gonna be approximately 4.10 degrees. Make sure that you have the degree symbol in there because that's the thing that you're looking for.